Okay, Team 25. This is how we put together the final shape or the final construction for your story cubes. You need to have 8 strips of paper folded both ways. Like I keep telling you, fold them both ways, makes everything work better in the long term. Okay. Make sure you have your 4 pairs of folding cubes. Okay. Now this is the final layout. We need to have the hinge or the strip facing these directions. So facing front and back, like that. And then these ones facing downwards. Okay? Then you need to join them up across here. So I'm even going to mark it up with a texter. So for example, across there, across, oops, daisy, across there, and across there. So this is how it's going to be stuck together. Plenty, oh this Max's glue probably doesn't work. It's dodgy. Get someone else's glue that does work.
I think that's good.
And lots of glue. Get the strips so that it holds your cubes together really snug. Really snug. We're going to reinforce the back of them again later. Just get them stuck together. People often ask why can't we use sticky tape, but we've still got to stick on our story. Whether it's a story that you might write or we're going to use an information report, we've still got to have clean, bare paper to glue the pictures onto. So if there was sticky tape there, it wouldn't stick very well. Nice and snug, there we go. Now we're going to stick over on the back of these hinges as well to reinforce, so it'll all stick together well. I can actually see now what I should do is give you coloured strips so you can see where to stick them on the back. Oh well.
Good idea.
I'll do that next year. Those are stuck pretty well, but we do have to reinforce the reverse side of that hinge. So if I just very carefully demonstrate, the actual story cube is working. It's following the pattern. It's like a never-ending folding cube. You'll find out later on when you try to work out what you're going to stick on this on the faces. There's even like a hidden face that's hard to find. Now, where were we? Oops, we're right there because that one just come off. So this is where we were a minute ago with all these new strips stuck on. We need to fold them up. And if I sort of show, that's just where we stuck, okay? So we've got to stick the reinforcing strip on the back across here. So it's folding like that. I don't know why I'm using the texter because it's helping me, but it's probably not going to help you very much because you're doing this by yourself. Anyway, last 4 strips. This is good glue. Poor Max didn't have the good glue next to him the whole time. That's funny.
I think that's Karina's glue.
Ah, there you go, Max. You had to say use Karina's glue. That's what you had to do. She's sitting right next to you. Yeah, 1. should just be the ones on the exact opposite side. So we just, I can even see a little bit of red there. Now this happens sometimes, the glue doesn't stick very well, or there might be a tear. Once you get all the strips in place, it should all hold together. So I need to cross there and there. Just to remind me.
Wait, don't you need a different coloured texture every time?
Nah, not really.
Sahara's really lucky. She's just got everything done.
Oh, I've got a, yeah, fair enough, Alicia. But I reckon everyone's had a little bit of help.
I haven't had any help.
Alicia's done pretty well to get everything done in one day. She wasn't here first term to get the first few cubes done. And I know everyone's been saying, when are we going to finish our cubes? Well, guess what? Now we're finishing our cubes. And I've got 8, 9, maybe 10 ready to go for their pictures and their information report. And we get them filmed and we get them on YouTube. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Wow, look at that. Okay, so that has just made everything a lot more sturdy and firm. When I originally made these a few years ago, I was using the final pictures as the strips to join them together. It was very, very tricky. It's better off making just a plain, blank story cube. There you go, Sahara, ready for your pictures.
Can you do mine?
Yeah, alright. No, I should make you watch it. Learn yourself.